operational issues have been raised by political parties. One is the process of clearance of advertisements in electronic medium by our MCMC, our media certification committees, and they want this system to be improved. The second request they have made is that various permissions which are being given to political parties should also be expedited through our single window clearance system. This has been raised by political parties. They have also demanded that all parties should have equal opportunities to display their banners, hoardings without any discrimination. In particular, they have drawn our attention that certain government schemes are being misused by the government functionaries to threaten, to convince, and to coax voters. These government schemes have been mentioned. One particular scheme has been mentioned, Ladli Lakshmi schemes. There could be more. So the Commission has taken serious note of these suggestions and issues, including some operational issues, including some issues, individual cases pertaining to police and returning officers. All have been noted very seriously by the Commission, and we have assured them that all of their suggestions and issues will be looked into and appropriate action will be taken by the Commission. As we mentioned that we have reviewed our work with the district magistrates, district election officers, SPs, and state administration, and we have issued certain directions. The first direction that we have issued is with regard to improvement and strengthening of single window clearance system. Now the police officers, designated police officers and designated officials from transport department will also be available in the returning officers' offices, and these officials will in turn coordinate with their respective departments so that political parties and candidates do not have to run from office to office. Excise department of the state has to launch a special drive to control the use of liquor to influence voters, and the Commission is determined to curb the use of liquor in election process. Excise departments needs to be galvanized. Then we have asked the police department to finalize the list of proclaimed offenders and start acting on these offenders so that they are not able to influence the election process. We have also issued instructions that any arbitrary, any whimsical action by local officials should not be taken in cases where due permissions have been given for display of banners and hoardings and posters, or where due permissions have been given to hold a particular rally. Such rallies should not be stopped midway. These strict instructions have been given to Director General of Police and all our district magistrates and SPs.